Hey everybody, this video will go over how to install your e-commerce conversion tracking code into your e-commerce order confirmation pages. This is important so that we can report back to you on the conversion value of the Q&A content and its engagement, uh, as we're focused on bringing you measurable value through the Q&A on your site, and then also allows us to understand what products are most valuable to you. Many e-commerce merchants with large product libraries, we want to be able to hone in and focus on which ones to recommend optimizations for, which categories are their bread and butter that we can recommend optimizations for. So the conversion tracking allows us to do all of this and be able to connect the content with real monetary value here. So you'll have documentation that goes over this in your administration site underneath integration and conversion tracking. You will see the code. That's the JavaScript snippet that you'll insert into your order confirmation page. You'll see links to instructions here. And then within those instructions, really what we need is to understand, for each order, what the sale total was, the email address of the user, and then if you can get into the specific products that they ordered as well, that just gives us more data to be able to optimize things further and recognize what impact the Q&A is having on particular sales and particular sales of products. So within this, the only required element is the sale total. So you can go ahead and fill that out, and we should have what we need to report back some basics to you. But if you do have the ability to fill out more information, that gives us more info to create more value for you down the road. There are elements that, multiple products are ordered, and you can add additional values and separate each SKU with a comma and each ID with a comma. And there's examples within the documentation on how that would be formatted and how that should look. So it's just a JavaScript snippet, passing in parameters into it. Should be pretty basic to set up, but let us know if there's any questions. After you integrate, testing is important. You want to test through. We have a process documented here on how to test, where you would post a question, answer the question, view the answer, order the product, and confirm that the conversion was tracked. And you'll be able to do that underneath reports. And there's a conversions option down here where you should be able to see that tracked immediately if you've gone through that test. If you haven't, we ask you to double check the integration, make sure it was integrated well. And this is good anyway, just to make sure that the order goes through well and everything's working as it should. So let us know if there's any questions. We'll look to make sure that you're taken care of from our end, and hope everything